Hi, Tigger. What are you doing? You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Look here. We'll send a video to the kids. Show them what you can do, huh? Look. I can't get you. Hold on. Look what he learned to do. Good job. Good job. Okay, I'll get you. Yay. That was good. You ready for a treat? Here. Come on. Oh, goofy bird. Look. Ah. Yeah. Here. Come on. Step up. Ouch. That's Mama's finger. You're just hanging on for dear life no matter what. Mm-hmm. All right, say bye-bye.